Welcome everybody. I am Salim AL-OWEIMRI. Today in our lecture I am going to tell you how to create system repair disk and system image. First step that you go to start and click for backup, and here you will find it at top backup and restore. Click on it to show you create system image and create system repair disk. We will choose create system image first. Create system image that can take a copy for everything. Everything, I mean everything in Windows system. All your system will create in image for. Click on. It will show you here to decide where do you want to save the backup. If you want it on a hard disk or you want it on more like DVD. I will choose DVD because I bought my DVD. Easier like an e-volume. Then click on next. Here you select which one that you want to back up. Select only to the system. Here select 2, then click on next to start. This is the location, and those that I want to make a backup for. Here start backup. That will take a long time, so I will stop it and continue it after. After it finishes the system image, it will ask you if you want to create a system repair disk. So click on OK and then create system repair disk. Here the DVD is selected. Then create a disk. Create system repair disk help you when you have a problem in your system that you can have another. If you have ROMs or if your system doesn't work, you can use this to reuse it or fix it. The DVD is working here. I can hear it. It doesn't take a lot of time, so we can wait it. It goes fast, as you see. It's almost done. If it takes a long time, I will stop the video and show when it's finished. Here it's showing if I want to using the system repair disk. I don't want that. Then the process is finished here and click OK. And you have now system image and system repair disk. If you have any question, please ask me, and thank you for listening.